Okay, so we're looking at the chart of volatility 75, and we're going to be looking at it from higher time frame or daily time frame. So if you look at the daily time frame of this particular trading instrument, we can see that the market is looking very bullish at the spot. He has a bullish trend. Then he hit a resistance at 4872 8.85, and he started drifting there, and we can see the kind of reversal candlestick he had me talking about this level particularly. If you look at this level, that was where the resistance take place. And if you look at these two candlesticks, this particular one and this particular one, you will see that they are reversal candle. So we have a huge move that we can see. The market is still going to has changed, and the market is bearish right now. So we're having a bearish trend that we project it to hit this level and probably get to this level as the market is moving. So we can see that the pressure we are looking at this catching the trend young, and which has to be very careful with money management. So let's go to lower time frame so that we can have more guide on money management and all of that. So if you go to 4 hours time frame, we can see that yeah, the market is moving, but there's high chance that if it drop, it might just bounce at 460 to 9.50. So we can see that although we have a strong point, we have a strong point at this level. We can see that the market is actually has a strong resistance on this 4 hours, and is going by. And if you can look at the chart very well, we can see that the market is it has made a kind of head and shoulder or triple top. Okay, so if we're looking at it as head and shoulder, we can see this please group as the first shoulder, why this one becomes second shoulder, why this place become the edge. So we can see that the market has a neckline around this level, and it will break the neckline, and it will even target this level in particular. So it's very easy to see this kind of projection, and with what we can see on the market, that the level is very if we look at the head and shoulder, but particularly we can see the market is rejected here, and is rejected here, and we can see a rejection here. So we'll see that the market is very tactic, that this movement has more strong force, that we can see on this level for a more bearish trend coming in, because it's all, although we're looking at it that it is just consolidating, and from the consolidation we can see that all of this place, it's just like market is consolidating. So a box of the market can be down, or we can see a box at the top. Okay, so well, it will take time. So for the possibility of the two, so looking at the alternative, so majority stop loss will be around here, or should be around here, or will be around the marks of here. So it's very important that that will also help with money management. And if our target is here, we can see the market is very strong for bearish movement also, and that's a huge profit to reward. So we are very still bearish, and looking at where to get the entry from 1 hour time frame. So I'm waiting for this candle to just today 1 hour candle to start being bearish. So we're waiting for 1 o'clock candle, which is very which is going to be, which if we see that candle, we can see that highest that this will go will not exceed 4.7. So any, excuse me, so any retouch of 4760.15 will be a strong sell. So we're just waiting for the market to move. And if you see these candles, if you move highest to this point and it get rejected, you can see that it can go down from this point. So a rejection will be expected around here or as the candle is moving. So it is important that we can look at this particular candle, that if it's even changing the next 1 hour or 30 minutes or so, that is like the height it will get to. So we'll look at both sides for entry. So we'll look at it in that way, in this kind of regard. Analyzing this in a systematic way like this help to give us details about what the reason why we're entering the market, and that we can calculate our money management so well. So if you look at this very well, if you just look at this, entries can be targeted at 4725.1. So it's just like instant entry, because the current entry price is 46841.40. So we can see that we have a push higher to 4725.1.59 or 476047, which are so very close to the entry point. We trigger a sell and well market otherwise, but they sell. So we can also look at the when this 1 hour changes. So we'll probably have an entry at 46474.764, maximum movement in the direction of the new trend. So thank you very much. Follow our VIP channels to get the entry as all these number triggers on the system. So thank you very much for watching this video, this live analysis. Subscribe to our YouTube channels, and also subscribe to our our VIP channels on Telegram to support more content on this video and more market. Thank you. See you some other trading time on Volatility 75. Bye for now.